So new video today we'll be learning about class attributes. Now class attributes are going to be basically a class has both classes or attributes and methods. The attributes are basically variables within a class. So let's create a class called vehicle, and it has the corresponding attributes and methods. We have the attributes of max speed, wheels, string color, fuel capacity, and the methods of horn, which prints out beep. Now the max speed, wheels, color, fuel capacity are the attributes of the vehicle class, and the horn is the method. You can define as many attributes and methods as necessary. So these are also called state variables, instance variables, or global variables as well. And let's go ahead and drag and drop on what type of things that these are. So first we'll do class. Age is usually a number, and then height is usually a double, and then name is usually a string. Okay. And then next we can create multiple objects of our vehicle class and use the dot syntax to access their attributes. So let's go ahead and run the code real quick. What do you guys think this would print out? We have v1.color equals red, and then v2.horn. So what do you think this is going to print out? Obviously beep, right? Then let's go ahead and practice. So here's the practice problem for class attributes. And so you are an administrator of a hotel and must create customer information cards for your new customers. On the card, you must note the customer's first and last name, age, room number. The program you are given takes a guest data, so the first name, last name, age, and room number as inputs. Complete the class by adding the corresponding attributes so that the save customer info method works correctly. Also assign taken data values to attributes of created object. So sample output John Smith 35204. That's what it's going to do. Okay. So we just need to declare or initialize the class attributes here. So we'll go with string first name. Next is going to be string last. String second name, and then we'll have an int age. Then we'll have a int room number. Then we also need to set the customer's data to the object here. Okay, so set the customer's data. What does it mean by set? Set the customer's data to the object. Oh, I see, okay. Okay, just wants me to basically set the information, and we can get it. Since for all three of these are different. So how do we set a customer's data to the object? Well, we can simply do customer, or we can just put it inside of there. This is fine as well. Yeah, we'll just do it right here. That's fine. So we'll do customer dot let me use AI because give me a hint. Oh, and it wants the free version or the paid version of it. That's funny. Okay, so let me try figuring this out. It says set the attributes. I mean, I did set the attributes. Give me one moment. So here, people usually just say. People usually put what the answer should be. Oh, it just wants you to basically like set the constructor. Oh, okay. We're just gonna remove this, and this is what it means. Okay, it's literally saying oh, there it is. Okay, first name, second name, age, room number, and then here we have string first name, string second name, string age, and then string room number. Now let's run it. All this is saying, okay, the code tries to create a new instance using a constructor that takes no arguments, but the arguments do not match the constructor's type. Okay, so what we'll do, this should really teach about constructors first, but public, we'll do public customer, and we will use all of these. We're going to use all of these here. And delete that. Okay, then, oh wait, why did I put strings for those? That's funny. And I'll do this dot first name equals first name this dot second name equals second name. This dot age equals age. This dot room number equals room number. Now run it. Does it work? Yes. So literally all you needed is this constructor, which it didn't even teach you about the constructor, which is so I don't even know what to say. But we'll do fill in the blanks for to create new objects from the class people. So the new, then here, like that. Bingo, and that is going to end the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.